Hi everyone, welcome again to our video class. Now, this time I am going to explain how to solve problems under a rectangular or uniform distribution. First, we are going to see one problem. Subway trains on a certain line run every half an hour between midnight and 6 in the morning. So it runs every half hour. Okay. What is the probability that a man entering the station at a random time during this period will have to wait at least 20 minutes? So subway trains run every half hour means that action has been defined in an interval between 0 and 30 minutes. So here A equal to 0 and B equal to 30 minutes. And next we have to calculate the probability that a man entering the station has to wait at least 20 minutes. So we have to calculate what is the probability that a man entering the station has to wait at least 20 minutes. Always you know very well, at least takes greater than or equal to symbol and at most less than or equal to symbol. Okay. As usual, let x be a random variable following uniform distribution with the parameter a and b. So here parameters 0 and 30 minutes. Thus 0, 30 is the interval. Here a equal to 0 and b equal to 30 minutes. Substitute a and b in the PDF formula of uniform distribution. Then we can get f of x equal to 1 divided by 30. F of x equal to this 1 divided by 30. Therefore, we can find the probability of that man has to wait at least 20 minutes. That is nothing but its probabilistic model is P of capital X greater than or equal to 0. Because this is at least, it takes greater than or equal to symbol. Here the given interval is 0 to 30. Upper limit is 30. But lower limit of the random variable has been restricted at 20. Therefore, lower limit is 20 and upper limit is 30. And simply substitute f of x equal to 1 divided by 30 here and integrate, take 1 divided by 30 as it is a constant, and integrating dx becomes x, and substituting the limiting case upper limit minus lower limit, then cancelling each other we can get 1 divided by 3. Therefore, the required answer is probability of x greater than or equal to 20. I mean probability of a man is waiting for at least 20 minutes is 1 divided by 3. The required probability is 1 divided by 3. Hence a solution. And next we shall see another problem. 4 buses arrive at a specified stop at 15-minute intervals starting at 7 a.m. That is, they arrive 7, next 7:15, next available bus at 7:30 and 7:45 a.m. and it goes so on. If a passenger arrives at the stop at a time that is uniformly distributed between 7 and 7:30 a.m. So the passenger arrival time has been uniformly distributed between 7 and 7:30 a.m. means in terms of minutes this two timing can be manipulated as an interval 0, 30 minutes. Now what we are asked to find here, find the probability that he waits. First question, less than 5 minutes for a bus, and second question, more than 10 minutes for a bus. As usual, Let us consider x follows uniform distribution with parameter a and b, where a equal to 0 and b equal to 30. Substitute 0 and 30 in its probability formula, then we can get the f of x equal to 1 divided by 30. And next, for first question, f of x equal to here 1 divided by 30. 1 divided by 30 minus 0, that is 1 divided by 30. And next, a passenger will have to wait less than 5 minutes. This possibility occurs only if he arrives between 7:10 and 7:50, otherwise 7:25 and 7:30. So if he arrives or if he enters in the station between these two timings, then he has to wait less than 5 minutes to catch the vehicle. Therefore, probability of a person arrives between 7:10 to 7:15 or 7:25 and 7:30 equal to, we have to calculate these two possibilities based on their minute timings. Therefore, x lies between 10 and 15 for the first possibility, or takes union. Union means in terms of probability value, we can take this or symbol as addition operation, and another possibility is probability of x lies between 25 and 30. Now simply substitute this limiting case in that PDF formula, then we can get integral 10 to 15 f of x dx and integral 25 to 30 f of x dx. Substitute f of x equal to 1 divided by 30 and take 1 divided by 30 outside, and integrating this integration term, then we can get 1 divided by 30 into integrating this dx becomes x, and substituting lower limit and upper limit for these both terms, then calculating these terms algebraically and solving this simply, we can get 1 divided by 3. That is, probability a person arrives between 7:10 and 7:15 or 7:25 and 7:30, that is equal to 1 divided by 3. That is, he has to wait less than 5 minutes. So the probability of waiting time, his waiting time is less than 5 minutes is 1 divided by 3. Next, second sub question, you would have to wait more than 10 minutes. So the possibility for waiting more than 10 minutes, if he arrives at station between the timing 7 and 7:05 or 7:15 and 7:20. For this possibility only, he has to wait more than 10 minutes to catch next vehicle. So probability a person arrives between 7 and 7:05 or between 7:15 and 7:20, considering this timing in terms of interval based on minutes, we can write it as probability of x lies between 0 and 5 and probability of x lies between 15 and 20. And simply substituting this lower limit and upper limit in the PDF formula, then integral 0 to 5 f of x dx plus integral 15 to 20 f of x dx. Substitute f of x equal to 1 divided by 30 in these two integration, and taking 1 divided by 30 outside as it is a constant, and integrating these two factors, then we can get, solving this, integrating the factors and substituting the limiting cases, then consequently we can get 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. That's a very simple problem. And third important problem, we are going to see buses arrive at a specified bus stop at 15 minutes interval starting at 7 a.m., that is 7 7:15, 7:30 and so on. If a passenger arrives at a bus stop at a random time which is uniformly distributed between 7 and 7:30, so here the interval is given, entering time, the interval is nothing but the entering time between 7 and 7:30. Therefore, the interval is 0, 30 minutes. Now we have to find out probability that he waits less than 5 minutes, first sub question, and the second sub question at least 12 minutes for a bus. As usual, let us consider the random variable x follows uniform distribution with parameter a and b. Here the interval is 0 and 30. So therefore a equal to 0 and b equal to 30. Substitute this interval case in PDF formula, then we can get f of x equal to 1 divided by 30. F of x equal to 1 divided by 30. Next, for first question, passenger waiting time is less than 5 minutes. This possibility occurs only if he arrives between, for the first chance, 7:10 and 7:15 or 7:25 and 7:30. If he enters the bus stop between these two interval, then he has to wait less than 5 minutes to catch next successive bus. Next successive bus. Therefore, for the first possibility, the interval in terms of minutes is P of x lies between 10 and 15. And for second possibility, probability of 25, x lies between 25 and 30. And substituting these lower limits and upper limits for these two probabilities, then we can get integral 10 to 15, 1 divided by 30 dx plus integral 25 to 30, 1 divided by 30 into dx. As usual, take 1 by 30 outside from these two integration and integrating consequently and substituting the limiting case and solving algebraically, then we can get its probability value is 1 divided by 3. Therefore, probability of waiting time less than 5 minutes is in this problem 1 by 3. And next, passenger waits at least 12 minutes. So that passenger has to wait at least 12 minutes means he has to arrive to the bus station between these two timings. If he arrive the bus stop between 7 and 7:03 or 7:15 and 7:18, then only he has to wait minimum 12 minutes to catch next successive buses. Therefore, for this case, the interval timing in terms of minutes is nothing but probability of x lies between 0 and 3. And for the second case, probability of x lies between 15 and 18 minutes. Therefore, substituting the lower limits and upper limits for these probabilities in the formula, we can get integral 0 to 3, 1 divided by 30 into dx plus integral 15 to 18, 1 divided by 30 into dx, that is equal to 1 divided by 30 into x 0 to 3 and 1 divided by 30 into x limiting case 15 to 18. Solving this, we can get 1 divided by 15.